I was just chasing down the E28 mobbing. I found it, but we're working right now. We might go back and go visit. So I caught up to the guy, right? The E28 was mobbing, and I'm just a dude in a Prius, so I like honked, and he looked at me, he was like, what's up? He just kept driving. So I was like honking like, yo, stop your shit. Finally stopped him, and then I told him like, yo dude, like I got a BMW too. And he's like, oh, all right, cause yeah, in the Prius, it's like, I'm just a normal dude. Just so happened that I did my last ride, and I'm gonna go swap out the E30. So I'm gonna grab the E30, roll up on him. We should have a good time. It's gonna be two classic cars, E28, E30, randomly, bro. Hey, this year is gonna be a great year for you, me, everyone you know, all right? See you guys when I get over there. All right, I'm grabbing the E30. As I was chasing him down, right, he was just driving like fast. He's got some sticky tires, so he was taking the corners pretty quick. Long story short, the route that he took, I never took before. So when I was following him, I was like, holy shit, this is beautiful. So I'll show you guys when we get there. But in the meantime, code start E85. Alright, see you guys there. I went home to switch the cars. Dude, I always seen this car and I wanted to check it out.
Yeah, you check it out like maybe once a month. That's why I was surprised when you said you see it.
I see it parked all the time.
Oh, alright. It's the Ratmobile.
It's a little race car, bro.
Drift.
Drift car?
Yeah.
Nice.
No hydraulics. I keep it cheap so far. But the suspension's all set up. I got like a 4.1 diff in the back.
Nice.
Swap that in.
Same with mine.
Yeah. I mean, I got the diff off of an E30, so.
It rips. Is it LSD or welded?
Yeah, limited, yeah.
Nice. Going for a ride in the race car. I like your cup holder, by the way. That's pretty sick.
Rubbermaid.
Yeah. At this point, I was just all jolly to meet another BMW owner. I used to flag down every BMW owner I see, but nowadays it's kind of rare. So when I seen this dude, and I always seen him, but just never in the car, I had to follow him. I'm so glad I did. That's why when I seen you, I had to stop because it's kind of hard finding people that actually like, do stuff like this nowadays.
Buy into the cult culture still.
Yeah.
Get greasy.
It's like a fucking Hellcat. It's the ones you come by now.
Oh yeah, they just buy it.
Dude, shout out to CJ, amazing human being. I had fun. That was sick. I had a great time. I challenge you guys to go hang out with some friends, meet people. Say I won't stop what I'm doing and go fix the E28 right now. Say it. I dare you won't. I mean, I actually tried to fix it. Like, check it out. I don't know why, but every time, like, I just get to this point in my life where I'm like, I'm bored. I want a new car. We're not gonna do that. What we're gonna do today is just bring it back to life. BMWs just sit in, fire right up. They like want to be driven. So I think it's gonna be pretty easy. All I'm gonna do is drain the gas, change the oil, put a new battery in, wash it, put the air in the tires, and then probably take it around the block. Let's get this shit. Monkey see, monkey do out here. Look at this. Not one doggy, but two. Alright, after 40 days and 40 nights, I finally got new gas to throw in there. Alright, one step closer. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna start driving the E28 soon. remember when I was talking in the beginning how like I thought it was gonna be so easy? So I think it's gonna be pretty easy. Yeah, make sure not to say that when you're working on the car. Don't jinx it. So I think it's gonna be pretty easy. If you got headphones on, please lower the volume right now. I need to express how I felt. Back. Can anybody guess why I didn't start? I'll let you know later in the video. You know when you know of someone but never met him, but you know him because of the internet? I'm about to meet a friend that I know from the internet. Now, I don't know what we're gonna do, but I just want to get the whole initial meeting and greeting on camera. Dang, look at this. Hello. Hey. How to get the initial reaction on camera, man? What's up, brother? Much needed. The car's not really ready. What? Let me hear that one more time, man. Got the Brembos. So, this is George right here.
It's good.
Tell him who you are, man.
Hoonigan.
There you go. Yeah. Plug your Instagram right now. Yeah. All your credible drifts. Wow, my car looks huge compared to yours. We're in the canyons, man. Long overdue. Although I do want to take you guys on the canyons, but just not right now because the car's not ready. But oh, your brother! Oh yeah, we're about to go for a little quick drive. Swapping cars, first time in Miata. I've driven, what, the first gen? So, I don't know what gen this is, but we'll see how this goes. We're gonna swap the cars. Let me know how you like that E30.
Yes, sir.
It's pretty fun. Okay, how the fuck do you turn this radio down? Oh. There we go. So far, so good. Look at this cockpit. Alright, biggest thing that I complain about coupes is the doors are huge, but this door is not that big. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Alright, like I wish I had a better setup because like I can't shift and drive, but heel toe, perfect placement. This is a great car just to drive. Like it's one of those slow fast cars that you just foot to the floor and you're just like in there. But yeah, I totally get the vibe of a Miata. Smile on my face. It's kind of like an E30, but like the E30, speaking of the E30, look at this. It's kind of like an E30, but like new, you know? Oh God, we got people on our tail. Subies. I gotta put you guys down because, yeah, put you guys down. This is a fun ass car though. Oh my gosh. Phenomenal car. This car is just good out the box. It's cheating. On the other hand, that car looks good. Man of culture, I like it. But Jesus Christ, that Miata is cheating. It's good out the box. Woo! Caw-caw! Wow, this looks nice over here. I want to take you guys in the E30, but like the E30 is just not up to par right now. I want to fix a couple things before I take you guys like on POV section, but there's a couple things I do want to talk about. So when I actually have the right setup, talk to you guys in the E30. But that Miata is fucking cheating. That Miata should not feel that good. That's ridiculous. That Miata is just like it's a cheat code.
Yeah.
The brakes are amazing, the handle's great, the steering's good, tires are good. It's a slow car fast is what I like to say.
Yeah. It's more fun to drive a slow car fast.
For sure,
than a fast car, slow.
Yeah. Or even a fast car up here, that shit's scary.
Yeah, it's gonna be too much.
Yeah. I don't have the right lens, but that's downtown LA. It looks beautiful in the sunset. That's pretty wild. Sheesh. The year 2022 is going to be amazing. I keep telling you guys. It was pretty funny. We had a little bit of confusion. It was like, should I turn or should I not? And I ended up turning and left them. Shit, look at that sunset though. This is where we say goodbye.
Later, bro.
Alright, George.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice meeting you guys. All the way from New York. Thanks for hanging out with me, man.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
That was a good time.
I think we're calling it quits now, so yeah, I'm gonna head home. But great time. Thanks for making me bring the E30 out. I really needed it. Packages by yours truly, Mama Stash. Yeah, she's helping me with orders. Speaking about the orders, I just want to take this time and actually thank everybody for placing an order. I got inspired basically because Dave always helps me, and friend helps friends. Appreciate everybody that orders shirts. We're packaging up right now. A couple of you guys that have ordered before, really grateful. And they go a long way. Look at that, huh?
Large.
I don't know if you guys know, but it's a handshake in the front. I gotta make some more. So this is the most I've ever got, like, of shirt orders. Usually I just spend a lot of money and don't make none and just wear them. But this time I actually sold a couple, so pretty stoked about that. Oh, and for the E28, I kind of know it's already like wrong with the car. Just comment below. And actually, if you guys want to see that E28 come to life, like the video or just comment or just show some feedback so I could see. I actually could turn it around really easy simply because I bought a part for the M5 and I thought I needed it for the M5. Now that I think I don't need it, I could throw on an E28 and it could just come back to life like that.
Look at all these marks.
Let me see the backside. Oh, look, I'm bleeding in my nose.
Well, flip your nose up and go clean it. Look
Damn,
at that.
I'm gonna have blood on the white t-shirts. Oh no. Alright, I was saying, E28, I gotta get an update video on all the cars, what's going on, because I'm kind of hopping back and forth. But yeah,
As
E28.
always.
Shout out to my mama for helping me out, Mama Stash, putting in work. I literally just got a nosebleed, I don't even know why. Probably because I beat my meat too much.
Stupid shit.
I think that's the end of the video. That's a pretty good one. I'm
Yeah,
actually stoked about this video that I edited.
You have to keep your head lit because it's going to come back down. Remember, you used to always get those bleeding noses
Yeah, it's
when
kind
you
of
was
like,
young.
yeah, I don't know why it is, but yeah. For y'all, for sure, y'all, I appreciate you. I'm gonna go ahead and sign
Hunter
out.
has that too.
Let me know if you liked the video because I keep that thing on me and I just been recording all the time. Moving forward, M5 parts coming soon, so expect that. Expect some other parts for the M5. Yeah, the M5's for sure gonna love this year, and all the cars gonna be done. I gotta get the damn car to paint. I'm not gonna stress.